Thank you for taking the time to view my listing. Charming old farmhouse with a wrap-around porch. Remodeled, but said to be a Sears kit home in 1917. New metal roof, windows and doors. Set up for pellet stove. Clawfoot tub and farmhouse sink. Large attic space. Established garden. 2 building spots. Huge trees scattered throughout property. Pasture land. Duck pond and creek. Less than a mile from the Cherry Hill turnoff, Polk 67, to the Ouachita River access. Utilities have been disabled. New air conditioner, breakers and water pump will convey with property. Sold as is.